Before you pack away your planters and call it quits for the season, hold on. Did you know your container garden doesn't have to end just because the temperatures drop? With the right setup, you can keep growing fresh herbs, leafy greens, and even a few root crops well into winter. If you love the satisfaction of harvesting your own food year-round, stay with me, because I'm about to show you how to keep your container garden not just alive, but thriving through the cold months. And hey, if you like easy, practical gardening tips that actually work, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. You're part of the family now. Let's jump right in. First, container choice is everything. Thicker pots made from plastic, wood, or ceramic are your best friends. They insulate roots way better than those thin metal or clay ones. And size matters. Bigger containers hold more soil, which keeps roots protected from sudden temperature swings. Skip the small pots that freeze too fast. Next up, cold-tolerant crops. Winter is prime time for hardy picks like kale, spinach, Swiss chard, parsley, thyme, rosemary, and green onions. If your winters are mild, carrots and beets can even keep going outdoors in containers. Now, here's your secret weapon: mobility. Move your containers close to a sunny wall or fence, someplace that radiates a little extra warmth. Grouping pots together helps too, and wrapping them with burlap or bubble wrap can trap that precious heat. On those freezing nights, drape an old sheet or frost cloth over your plants for some extra insulation. But don't forget the soil. Cold, soggy soil is a real plant killer. Make sure your containers have good drainage and use a high-quality potting mix that stays light and airy. Mixing in compost? That's a bonus. Your plants get slow-release nutrients to power through the short days. Watering in winter is a balancing act. Plants grow slower, and water doesn't evaporate as fast, so only water when the top inch of soil is dry. Morning watering is best. It lets your plants take up moisture before those chilly nights hit. Short on daylight? Try a simple grow light indoors or on a sheltered patio. Even just a few extra hours of light can keep your plants happy. And if wind's an issue, set up a quick windbreak with some wood or plastic panels to shield your containers. For the most tender herbs or plants like basil and peppers, bring them inside before that first hard frost. Pop them in a sunny window or under a grow light, trim away any dead growth, and water sparingly. And that's it. A full, simple guide to keeping your container garden alive and productive all winter long. With smart planning, the right plants, and a little protection, you'll be harvesting fresh greens while everyone else is scraping ice off their windshields. If this helped you out, tap like, subscribe, and join our community of year-round gardeners. Keep your containers full and thriving, no matter what the weather throws your way. Grow smart, grow sustainable. See you in the next video.